Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your love and support on my previous video. Please do keep supporting me. So I'm back with another interesting travel vlog. So today is 10th of April and time is around 5:30 a.m. now. Today we are headed to Dam, which is about 80 to 90 kilometers away from Bangalore. And definitely this is gonna be a group bike trip. The place which we are exploring now, it's an unexplored place and a must visit place nearby Bangalore. It's a perfect short weekend getaway. Myself, Hari Vibin, I'm basically a travel freak. Traveling is my passion and hobby. I'll be uploading new travel videos every week. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to catch up with all my upcoming vlogs. So watch the video completely. I'm going to give you a complete details on how to reach the spot. So stay tuned. See you there. Panchapalli Dam is situated in Dharmapuri district in the state of Tamil Nadu. It's about 90 kilometers from Bangalore. Travel duration is about 2 hours depending on traffic conditions. It's one of the least explored places in Bangalore. This place has got amazing landscape views. You can visit the place throughout the year, but the best time would be during the monsoon. You can witness the greenery and full force of water in the dam. Another nearby attraction to this place is Hognekal Falls. I have given the Google coordinates link in the below description. Please do check it. So now I am headed to the group meeting point. We all decided to gather near Forum Mall at 6 am. There are two routes which you can take to reach this place from Bangalore. First route is via Hosur and then Dharmapuri. Second route is via Attibele, Tali Road and then reaching Dagnikota. It's preferred to take the second option since it's quite shorter. Let me introduce our riders to you. About 10 riders joined our trip. We had KTM, Royal Enfield and other different class of vehicle. This trip was organized by Gear Tribe, which is being managed by myself and my friend Winston. Gear Tribe is a professional riding group based out of Bangalore. If you are a biker and want to be a part of our next ride, join our Facebook group called the Gear Tribe. It's an exclusive group for bike riders and travelers. We organize bike trips every 2 weeks. I have posted the group invite link in the below description. You can also contact me through the Instagram. We are now in Dagnikota. From Dagnikota, Panchapalli Dam is exactly 20 kilometers away. The roads are maintained pretty well. The entire trail was covered with curves. Just look at these amazing roads. You'll enjoy riding these country roads. You will also be crossing a couple of villages on this route. Make sure to drive slowly. Finally, around 9 a.m., we reached the spot. So guys, so finally we have reached the place. One heck of a ride. Amazing off-roading. Even in the summer, the place looks very stunning, full of greenery. It's awesome. So we are the only people around here. So guys, the place looks really stunning. So we are all parked our bikes here. This place is actually prohibited. There was a small passage leading inside the dam, which was actually made with some wooden doors, gates. Somehow we managed to get in. It's actually one of the least explored places in nearby Bangalore. I highly recommend you to come and visit this place. Let me show you the complete tour now. So as you can see, that is the dam entrance. That is the route which we came from. So all the way from there, it is an intense off-roading. Bikes with some low ground clearance will have great difficulties crossing. There's actually no shops nearby. So if you're planning to come, please try and get your eateries, mainly water. So you don't find any shops nearby. It's very shocking to see a boat over here. Let us go and check it out. Basically an abandoned boat in this area. As you can see, the place is totally covered in betweens of the mountains. So right now we have seen the right side of the dam. So let's explore the left side of the dam. Bharatji. So we are the only people in the spot now. It's really amazing. Huh? I highly recommend you to come and visit this place. Make sure you come early in the morning because the heat becomes unbearable during afternoons. Playing in the water is not recommended. Make sure you don't dive or swim in this kind of a places. Guys, one request. Whenever you are visiting this kind of a places, please don't litter. Please carry your trash bag and say no to plastic. Kindly promote the tourism by not littering the place. Maintained here, and lot of coracle boats have been kept here. So Winston, how's the place?
Beautiful. I don't think a lot of people have come here. We might be one of the very few people who come here. It looks illegal. I've seen people come till the dam, but we were somehow able to, come down all the way till the waterfront. So I don't know. We might be the only ones out here. You may never get to come here, but you can see what you can see in the video itself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So Ranjan, how's this place?
Yeah, this place is awesome and plenty of water, and in rainy season it will be more greenery, so it will be look more nice in rainy season, but now also it is quite greenery is there and there is little bit less water, but very awesome place for to chill out in summer.
So how was your riding experience?
Excellent, road is very good and there was little bit coughs, so I enjoyed the riding in these roads and it's awesome. Do subscribe to Hari Vivin channel and like this video and share with your friends.
Meet Karthik, a member of a Gate tribe. So Karthik, how was your experience?
I had a wonderful time. I think morning we left around like 6 o'clock. We reached there around 8:30. By morning itself the sun is too high, and due to summer I think the water has been dried up a little bit now. Might be in the winter it will be full. It is a good place to visit. Day trip, I'm happy.
So how was your riding experience?
Riding with this group, it's always fun.
Thank you so much Karthik. Okay guys, so time's up. The scorching heat is becoming unbearable. So now we are planned to go on top of the dam. We're gonna take our bikes on the top. Let me show you the other side of the dam. So stay tuned. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please support by subscribing the channel. I'll be uploading new travel videos every week. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Let me know your views and doubts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for another interesting travel vlog. Until then, this is Hari Vivin signing off. Thanks for watching.